Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel. This is a review of Rapid Monster 1:32 scale RC car. I have noticed that lately, the cars on this channel have gotten pretty expensive. So let's take a look at something a little bit more down to earth. Here's a $20 car sent to me by Hobbymate, so thank you very much. On the box it said Rapid Monster, but the name on each website is different. So if you see the same style of car, then it's the same as this one. There are two bodies to choose from. The one that I have looks like the JLB Racing Cheetah in blue, and the other one is the Cybertruck in green. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Here's the manual, a screwdriver to open the battery doors, a charger, and also spare screws for the car battery door. This screw is very small, so they kinda know that we're gonna lose it, that's why they give us a lot of spares. Some traffic cones and barrels to set up a course. And here's the car and the radio. The car is rear-wheel drive, and there's no differential, which is to be expected in this price range. Steering is simple, snapping to full lock with centering spring. The suspension is simple as well, with the motor pod separating from the main chassis. The front suspension arms are a bit pliable, but I wouldn't consider it a suspension anyway. And here's the transmitter. The antenna is just for looks. It does absolutely nothing, except from covering this hole. The transmitter runs on 2 AA batteries. There's a button to switch between low speed mode and high speed mode as well. The car has proportional throttle, which is a big surprise. However, it doesn't have a brake, just forward and reverse. The steering is not proportional, but that's alright for a car of this price. The battery is 1 cell LiPo, 100 mAh. It takes about 1 hour to charge for 10 to 15 minutes of runtime. And the light will go out once the charging is finished. The turning circle is 75 cm, which is quite large. Now let's see if it can really do 20 km an hour as it said on the box. Apparently yes it can. Handling is what you would expect from a toy car. It can drive, it can turn, and that's about it. But it has better control than other toy cars, because it has proportional throttle. You can run a few cars and race them together as well. Because it is 2.4 GHz, it is not going to interfere with one another. You just need to turn them on one at a time. It seems to be pretty durable. So far I have crashed into everything in my room, and it hasn't broke yet. At $20, I wouldn't ask for anything more than this. I think it would be a good gift for a child to try and drive an RC car with proportional throttle. Because it is cheap, you won't feel too bad when it crashes. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook or social media for quick updates, written reviews, news, and see what I'm doing between videos. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.